Right, morning everyone, hello. Welcome to the channel Roads on the Road. We're at our caravan storage today and we are going to be doing a little job on our caravan, a little upgrade, and we're going to be changing some lights. So I'm just going to turn you around and show you the current lights that we've got in the caravan. Okay, so under the overhead lockers in the bedroom, can see we've got these reading spotlights. We've got one there, we've got one over there, and we've also got a couple in the front of the caravan as well in the lounge area. And we found that we haven't got any USB ports in this caravan. It's a 2017 model, so it hasn't got any of those features. In the bedroom, we have got, you saw in our caravan tour, we've got the pull-out bedside tables each side, which is great for charging your phone at night. But the nearest plug socket for that is round here. So we normally put Tilly's water bowl on the floor down here at night, and then we've got wires trailing, and just don't feel that that's probably very safe. So we're going to change the lights above the bed, or we're going to attempt to today. So I'll show you around here. We purchased these lights here from Clearcut Conversions online. We did a bit of research to find the ones that were most similar to the lights that we've already got in the caravan. And we found these. They're the Zebra LED reading light, 12-volt reading light from Clearcut Conversions. And they were about £16 each. Is that right?
Yep.
And you can see they've got the USB port in the front on the base. So we are going to attempt to change those two reading lights, and we'll show you how we get on. We're going to take the screws out the bottom of the light. There's two screws in the light that's in there already. That's the old light there. So in the overhead locker, there's a cover where the connectors are. So we need to unscrew the cover. Is there two screws in the cover as well?
Two screws, one at the back, one at the front, little one.
They're a bit awkward to get to the front one, isn't it? There's not a lot of space.
Yeah. And then there's the connectors here.
You've got two connectors.
We've got a brown and blue wire.
A brown and blue wire, and
then we've got the white wire.
And the white wire.
Yeah.
Okay.
Out. Obviously the electric's turned off.
Yeah, the electric's all turned off at the panel. Take that out. There's the old light coming out.
Now I need to connect the other one.
You've got two screws in with the light as well for the fit-in.
Yeah.
They're a bit smaller than the old ones that were in there. There's the old ones, and then there's the new ones. They're a bit smaller.
So as you can see, they're different wires.
Yeah, different colour wires, aren't they?
Oh.
So the black one on the new light needs to go into the white one on the connection.
Thread it to the hole,
Threading the wires up through the hole. A bit higher so I can see.
The red one goes into the blue, and the black wire is going into the white one.
Shall I turn the control panel on? We'll just check that that's all working before we screw it all in. Okay, can't see over there. Yep, control panel's on. Ah, brilliant. Yeah, the light's working. So I've turned the control panel off, and then you can fix it all in.
there's a little cover over here over the screws.
Yeah.
And so you have to move it out the way.
There's a little cover over the screws that you've got to move out of the way so that you can screw each screw in as you fix it up. Obviously want to make sure that the USB is facing so that we can get to it. And just turning the cover around so you can get to the other hole for the screw. Just need to put the cover back over the wires in the overhead locker, so that's all nice and tidy. Okay. Where'd you touch it?
There's a button underneath here. There's a button. There's a blue light, and then there's a that light.
Oh.
And we can do it at phones too.
Excellent. So we also got from these are from Temu. I bought some pockets, bedside pockets. I thought it'd be really handy for putting your phone in at night, putting my Kindle in. So we've got these ones, and we're going to now put those up and then see what they look like. We'll show you in a second. Right, so there we go. I've put the side pocket up now by the side of the bed, and got my phone on charging there, so the charging, the USB is working and the light's working. And then we've got one this side as well, and they're just from Temu. I think they're about £3 each, and they come with the two sticky hooks to secure it with. We'll see how we get on with those. We quite like those. I think they'll be quite handy.
Thanks for watching our little video of how to change the LED lights in our Caravan. I hope it's been useful. I'll put the link for the lights in the comments. I look forward to seeing you on our next video. Bye!